you later, Melvin. We put up this all season. You used to not be able to, you can barely get from your, you go to the track.
You don't want them either. I don't know, going at each other. That's not nice. I sure hope y'all enjoyed your train ride. Please remain seated until I give you all clear. This train does have tendency to jerk and roll back once there's the end of the depot and set the brakes. So please remain seated until I give you all clear. Once again, for your safety, folks, that orange pull cord above your head is for medical emergencies only. Please do not pull that unless you have an actual medical emergency. Please keep your arms, legs, head, hands, and feet inside the train at all times. Please keep your feet away from the black running board to your left and remain seated for the duration of the ride. Well, howdy, everybody. That was pathetic. Let's try this. Merry Christmas!
Merry Christmas!
That's a lot more gooder. I'm Conductor Anna. I'll be riding along the back of this train with y'all. Waving us out of the depot is Clayton and John.
Merry Christmas, John!
Well, if we're lucky, we'll see him again in about 20 minutes. If we're not so lucky, it might be about 2 weeks. So I hope y'all pack a lunch. Welcome to the Frisco Silver Dollar Sing-Along Steam Train. And I do mean sing-along. We're going to start off with a Holly Jolly Christmas. Folks, we're coming to a stop right about now. All perfectly normal. We got 2 trains on our train track. We're waiting for the other train to get into position, and then we're going to perform what we call a handshake. But that's right, Christmas is upon us. We've got Christmas decorations all over the park. We've got 6.5 million Christmas lights, over 100 live Christmas trees all over the park, an 80-foot tall tree at the top of the park that dances with the music. A brand new fir tree down at the bottom of the park in the plaza. Here it comes, it is on its way. So if anyone's got any extra time on them, they tell me it's over 6.5 million Christmas lights, but someone might need to count that. So I mean, if you got nothing else you're doing today, start counting.
Look, there's Uncle Jay. Where is he at?
Hi, Uncle Chase.
I don't know who he's with.
All right, we're back up and rolling. Man, with all these Christmas decorations all over the park, you'd think someone was coming to town. Who could that be? have a show coming up in just a couple minutes, so at this time, make sure your mobile devices and cell phones are on silent at this time, out of consideration for others. Well, Santa Claus is coming to town. He's bringing a couple friends with him. One of them's got a shiny red nose. The other one's got a button for a nose. Oh, the light bulb. Sorry. Oh, the light bulb. Reindeer. Like the Pinocchio. Christmas time means a lot of different things for a lot of different people, and for me, I'm always reminded of going to my grandparents' house for Christmas. We'd get there on Christmas Eve, Grandma would be in the kitchen making all sorts of amazing food, and Grandpa would be in the living room keeping us entertained and how someone put. We'd have a big old Christmas dinner, then we'd all go to bed. Early Christmas morning, we'd all wake up, and all the kids would run into the living room and see the Christmas tree all lit up, and underneath it were presents. More presents than you could count. But we weren't allowed to touch a single one. No, Grandpa wouldn't let us. Not until he sat us down all around him, and he sat down in his big old rocking chair. He pulled out his Bible, and he told us the story of the very first Christmas. He wanted us to always remember the true reason why we celebrate this very, very special time of year. You know, sometimes, if I close my eyes real tight, I can almost hear my grandpa say,
"It's okay to clap. You go right ahead. We really appreciate that. We like knowing you like hearing that story as much as we like telling it. Thank you. But I do need to get the firewood into the cabin. You need to get back into town. There's a lot going on up there. But this year, as we celebrate the holidays, let's not forget those men and women serving in the military who won't make it home to spend the holidays with their families because they're out there protecting all of us. God bless you guys. Merry Christmas. Come back and see Grandpa real soon, won't you? Bye-bye. Bye-bye, guys.
Thank you, Grandpa.
Bye-bye. 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 Merry Christmas. Bye-bye, youngin'.
coming to a stop once again. We're on the other side of that handshake now.
That's how they do their handshake.
Quick music poll. Quick Christmas poll. Do you like hot chocolate or waffles? Waffle chocolate. Do you like hot chocolate? Or do you like waffle? I think the hot chocolate has it. I have also no idea how to pronounce that, so my bad. I will tell you, one of my favorite parts of Christmas is all the music that just is going on all over the place. Whether it's the music on the radio, well, it's not just the music on the radio either. It seems like all the elements of Christmas kind of have their own music to it, whether it's the decorations all over the place, or the winter weather that tends to set in around this time. There's a song that talks about that. We're going to play that one next.
Oh, I can't remember. I don't know. That sounds better.
Make your way back into the depot. Make sure you got all your loose articles, your cats, your bags, your trash, your relatives, your trashy relatives. Hey, if you don't want them, we don't want them either. Now don't go pointing at each other. That's not nice. I sure hope y'all enjoyed your train ride. Please remain seated until I give the all clear. This train does have a tendency to jerk back and roll back a little as we set the brakes.
We have a lot of track spacing. We can only run like one train or two trains.
Okay.
He's like, whatever.
Yeah.
Yeah, the stuff is with my mom's car, so hopefully if my mom's still here.
I'll bring the bag in the car later. Or after I give you your card key. Which I got my card key, but I left yours in the hotel room. So I'll give it to you when we get to the hotel room. There's a free breakfast, and here comes the Polar Express.
Did you guys talk to each other?
Roll on here nice and easy like you've got us at that brink. We have a tendency to roll around just a little bit, stop with a jerk. I'm not just talking about conductor plate over there. Everybody remain seated and wait till the all clear. Everybody wait. For your safety, that pull cable above your head on your right-hand side is for medical emergencies only. Don't be pulling that unless suffering a medical emergency. Remain seated, keeping all hands, arms, legs inside the train at all times. Feet off the black friend aboard we have, the left-hand side of the train car.
What you did to the crew, but this was
Here we go, howdy folks!
Howdy!
Well, that was pitiful. Let's try this. Merry Christmas!
Merry Christmas!
There we go, much more gooder. I'm your conductor, St. Good night here on the back of the train. Let's be the first to welcome y'all to the Frisco $4 sing-along steam train.
Here we go.
We got conductor Clayton
we go.
and conductor John.
Bye.
Everybody wave, say bye, y'all.
Bye, y'all. Bye, John!
30 minutes. 5 to 6 hours. Now, folks, I did say this is a sing-along
Here
Steve
we
train,
go,
so let's
guys.
get
Here we
this
go.
thing started here with a little bit of Holly Jolly Christmas.
All right, here we go.
You hate this version.
1, 2, 3. Have a holly jolly Christmas. It's the best time of the year. I don't know if there'll be snow, but have a cup of cheer. Have a holly jolly Christmas, and as you walk down the street, say hello to friends you know and everyone you meet. Oh, the mistletoe hung where you can see. Somebody waits for you. It's her wants to be. I just saw this one. Holly jolly Christmas, in case you didn't hear. Oh my golly, have a holly jolly Christmas this year. Ho ho, ho ho, the mistletoe hung where you can see. Somebody waits for you, it's a once for me. Have a holly jolly Christmas, in case you didn't hear. Oh my golly, have a holly jolly Christmas this year. Holly jolly, holly jolly, holly jolly, all aboard, here we go. Oh, I can see the parade from here. This is the Polar Express. Yeah, from here, I can see it.
Folks, the train is going to stop here for just a second. We do have 2 trains on the track. So the 2 trains, of course, got to stop, talk to each other, make sure they know where each other is, gossip with one another before they can get moving on down the track again. Got all kinds of Christmas lights and Christmas decorations. We got over 6.5
This will be your
Christmas
teamwork
lights
test because you guys always
park-wide.
argue.
We've also got a whole bunch of
We're gonna
really
put you
tall
on that
Christmas
and
trees. We got a big
we're both
old
gonna be
80-foot
together.
tall Christmas tree right up at the front of the park where y'all came in. Yeah, it's all lit up. Plays, sings, and dances to the music every 15 minutes. It's our big 80-foot tall Christmas tree in the front. And of course down in the plaza we got our 50-foot tall live Rockefeller Christmas tree. Definitely don't want to miss that either. We got a band introducing it every single time it lights up. Lighting times for that are going to be in your Pathfinders or on the Silver Dollar City app. Got all kinds of Christmas shows going on as well. We got Charles Dickens' A Christmas Carol going on over in the Opera House. We got the Heart of Christmas over at the Red Gold Heritage Hall. We got all kinds of smaller shows, of course, going on, like Tinker Jr.'s Toy Shop. We got the Saloon Show and a Living Nativity, along with several others. Those are some of our more famous ones, though. Also got all kinds of Christmas iconic treats, only available during our Christmas season, like our walking taco and our wonderful waffle drinks.
Oh yeah,
We
we got the
enjoy
train.
those while they last.
I would love to do powder keg. We should do powder keg before tomorrow.
Oh yeah, we should.
I do think I hear that other train in
Can't
the
see how it is
distance.
tomorrow.
So we should be moving here
Here
shortly.
we go.
The Santa Fe 6.
After that, I might get a pencil.
The deep fried Oreos are tempting me. I can smell that.
Yeah, I can too. Oh, look.
I see it.
Holy.
I see out loud, right?
Yep, same. It was closed earlier today. What are you doing?
What? You're bigger?
Yeah. It's allergies.
Hello? We're gonna start moving.
They have not done the handshake yet.
Here we go.
Folks, with all these Christmas lights and Christmas decorations,
Here we
that
go.
means someone
Next
special is
song.
coming to town. Who's coming to town?
Santa!
Santa Claus is coming to town.
Let's sing along.
Hey, I can see 504's train here from the lights.
My God. And 1 and 2 and 1, 2, 3.
You better watch out.
You better not cry. You better not pout. I'm telling you why. Santa Claus is coming to town. He's making a list, checking it twice. He's
gonna find out who's naughty or nice. Santa Claus is coming to town. He sees you when you're sleeping. He knows when you're awake. He knows if you've been bad or good, so be good for goodness sake. Oh, you better watch out. You better not cry. You better not pout. I'm telling you why. Santa Claus is coming to town. You better not cry, you better not pout, I'm telling you why. Santa Claus is coming to town. Santa Claus is coming to town. Santa Claus is coming to town. On the road, woo! Here we go, to the North Pole.
I'm going to ask everybody please take a moment to silence all cell phones and mobile devices for the courtesy of those around you. We do have a show coming up for you here shortly, so for the courtesy of those around you, make sure all cell phones and mobile devices are silenced at this time. Santa Claus may very well be coming to town, but he needs the help of a special reindeer to get him there. What's the name of the reindeer?
Rudolph!
It's Rudolph.
They got rid of the lights on the too, I noticed that.
Here we go.
Rudolph the red-nosed reindeer had a very shiny nose.
Like the light bulb.
And if you ever saw it, you would even say it glows like a light bulb. All of the other reindeer used to laugh and call him names.
Like Pinocchio.
They never let poor Rudolph in the reindeer game.
Like Monopoly.
Then one foggy Christmas Eve, Santa came to say,
Oh, oh.
Rudolph, with your nose so bright, won't you guide my sleigh tonight?
And now the reindeer love him, love me.
As he shouted out with glee, yippee!
Rudolph the red-nosed reindeer,
You'll go down in history.
Frosty the snowman
Was a jolly, happy soul with a corncob pipe and a button nose and 2 eyes made out of cold. Frosty the snowman was a fairy tale, they say.
And they clear snow with the children know how it came to life that day. But it must have been some magic in that old silk hat they found. For when they placed it on his head, he began to dance around.
Oh,
Frosty the snowman was alive as he could be. And the children say he could laugh and play just the same as you and me. Bumpity bump bump bumpity bump bump, look at that Frosty go. Bumpity bump bump bumpity bump bump, over the hills of snow. Woo!
This is so much fun.
Yes, the three of us being like a singing opera.
Yeah.
Well, folks, Christmas time means different things to different people. For me, I'm always reminded going out to my grandparents' house every Christmas. They lived way back in the woods, kind of like this. You open up that front door and you could just smell all the wonderful smells coming from the kitchen. Grandma been cooking on the old wood stove. She had all kinds of wonderful things to
today
eat.
twice, but he's not at the station.
Christmas pies, there was Christmas turkey,
Yes.
ham, stuffing, dressing, all
I
the
didn't know that.
cookies, always
He
so
gave me a hug
good.
like you said.
We enjoyed all
He
the
gave me a hug
desserts,
too when I first saw him
cakes,
today.
pies, cookies, all kinds of wonderful things to eat. After we finished eating, we'd all go into the family room, and there'd be Grandpa. Oh, Grandpa. Yeah, he'd be sitting right there in his favorite rocking chair, right there next to the Christmas tree. Christmas presents be underneath that Christmas tree. Christmas presents as far as the eye could see, but we couldn't touch any. Couldn't open a single one. Not until Grandpa had set us all down in a great big circle and told us the stories of the fair and what Christmas was truly about. If I close my eyes, and think back. I can almost hear my grandpa say,
Well, Merry Christmas, kids.
Merry Christmas!
Bye.
Merry Christmas!
Merry Christmas.
That was pitiful.
Sorry, Grandpa.
Let's do that again. Merry Christmas, kids.
Merry Christmas!
Christmas!
Hell, it'll have to do.
Is that better?
Now it'll work.
Why did you just say that?
Me and Grandma's been expecting you.
I said, why did you?
She's up in the cabin right now. She's cooking. Or she's cooking turkey and ham and pumpkin pies. Boy, I tell you, I do love this time of year. Well, looky here, families are coming home. People just seem happier, friendlier, and after all, isn't that what Christmas is all about? I believe so too. You know, there was a man that lived a long time ago that taught us to have that spirit year-round. Now, he was a special man. He lived a special life, and, well, he died a special death. Many wondrous things happened to that man, but I believe the most wondrous was his birth. And I'd like to tell you a story about the night that he was born. There were, in that same country, shepherds, abiding in the field, keeping watch over their flock by night. Suddenly the angel of the Lord came upon them, and they were so afraid. And the angel said, "Fear not, for behold, I bring you good tidings of great joy, which shall be for all people. For unto you is born this day, in the city of David, a Savior, who is Christ the Lord. And this shall be a sign unto you. You shall find a babe wrapped in swaddling clothes and lying in a manger." And suddenly there was with the angel a multitude of the heavenly host, praising God, saying, "Glory to God in the highest, peace, goodwill to all men." When the angel left, they went and found Mary and Joseph and the babe lying in a manger. Later, wise men from the east came saying, "Where is he who has been born King of the Jews? For we have seen his star in the east and have come to worship him." And lo, the star they saw in the east went before them till it came to rest over the place where the child lay. When they saw the child, they knelt down and worshipped him and offered gifts of gold, frankincense, and myrrh. Yes, they offered that child many great gifts, but we are the ones who have received the greatest gift of all, the gift of life everlasting. That a wonderful story?
Sure is.
Yes.
It's okay to clap. Go right ahead. We really appreciate that. We like knowing you like hearing that story as much as we like telling it. But I do need to get the firewood into the cabin. You need to get back into town. Get yourself some hot chocolate.
I need hot
Bring
chocolate.
Grandma.
I had some.
It's a necessity.
But as we celebrate the holidays this year, let's not forget those men in the holidays and their families, because they're out there protecting all of us. Let's not forget them. Yeah, give them a hand too. They deserve it. And happy birthday to the United States Marine Corps.
Did you guys get your
250
pins yet?
years old this month.
You guys,
God bless you guys.
because
Merry
you guys
Christmas.
can
Come back to see Grandpa real soon, okay?
next
Bye-bye.
week. Yeah, you guys could get
Thank you, Grandpa, for that wonderful
I'm just
gift.
gonna get mine tomorrow.
Hi,
so I have a
Grandpa.
full day to use it.
Love you.
Certainly hope we all make it home for Christmas.
Drew, I'm just gonna get mine tomorrow.
Bye-bye.
So
Thank you.
tomorrow will be a full day of use it
Yeah.
instead of, right? 'Cause that makes more sense than just getting it tonight and not. I'll just get it tomorrow.
For Christmas, you can count on me. Sad snow and mistletoe and presents under Christmas Eve.
Oh, I forgot. You have the VIP card.
Yeah, I have.
And to remind everybody, please remain seated, keeping all hands and arms at the side of the train here approaching the tunnel.
Wow, you can see pattern. Like, look at it. See all.
Watch out, Sweet Berry's tunnel's coming.
No screaming this time. It's not normal season anymore. It's Christmas season.
Here's the tunnel we go. Oh, that's not actually a tunnel.
Yeah. Okay.
Well, I'm the engineer.
Somebody's getting on.
What?
Somebody's getting on. I just saw somebody.
Who is it?
I don't know. I did see somebody though. All right. The
Mr.
moment of
Drew's
truth.
pusher is 9,000.
All right. The moment of truth. The moment of truth.
Yes.
Folks, you remember earlier how we were waiting on the other train? Well, now we're that other train.
Silver bells.
This is funny. I was just doing this work and this.
It's silver bells.
That's fine. Sidewalks. Busy sidewalks. Dressed in holiday style.
At least it's not, what's it called? What's the other song you did?
Oh, the doors are closed. There you go. They got the C-43 about decorations. Yeah. Them rings.
I can't believe that weekend, right after you guys came up, was the weekend 43 was put away.
Yeah.
Stayed right fire in
I
the
use my.
You guys, man, I can just help, man. Oh, yeah, we can buy it.
Oh. Yeah.
tripod.
Oh, yeah, we should. You guys can because I need my
Let's say Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas. Merry
here towards the depot. Make sure you have all your valuables gathered up, your belongings gathered up, your trash gathered up, your relatives gathered up, and all your trashy relatives. If you don't want them, then neither do we. I've been your conductor, St. Nick at Night, and I certainly hope y'all enjoyed your train ride. Now the engineer's got to roll on in here. He's got to set that brake. We do have a tendency to roll around a little bit. Jerk is well, that's all perfectly normal. Everybody remain seated and please wait for the all clear. Everybody wait, please. Wait. Wait. Clear.
I don't think the engine wants to be all the way up there.
We got Conductor John. Everybody wave and say bye, y'all. Yeah, we'll be seeing in here about 20 to 30 minutes unless we have my average, which is 5 to 6 hours. Now, folks, I did say this is the sing-along steam train, so we're going to get things started here with a little bit of Holly Jolly Christmas. Let's hear y'all sing along.
Bye, Nick.